Hello everyone. Today our topic is articles. And adjectives a, and the are usually called articles. You know that the English alphabet consists of 26 letters in all. All of them, the vowels are a, e, I, o, u, and the rest of them are known as consonant. Today we will learn about article an. An is used before word beginning with a vowel sound like a, e, I, o, u. These are vowel. A is used with words beginning with a consonant sound. Consonant sound. First we will see example of an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. Now see the example of a star, a book, a child, a woman. Let's see more example of a sharpener, a book, a ball, a tiger, a chair, a mango. Let's see more example of an apple, an aeroplane, an umbrella, an elephant, an orange, an inkpot. Uses of the sun, the earth, the moon. There is only one sun, one moon, and one earth. Use the before things that is only one of its kind like the sun, the moon, the earth. Use the before name of ocean, name of river, name of sea. Whenever we use name of ocean, sea, river, we add the like the Indian Ocean, the Ganga, the Arabian Sea. When we talk about a particular things or animal, a person, etc., we use the. So let's revise quickly. The is used before a particular noun. The cow is very happy. A particular cow. Here we are talking about a particular cow, not anymore. So we say the cow is very happy. The dog is very brave. Here we are talking a particular dog, not anymore. So we say the dog is very brave. Now see an. An is used with words beginning the sound of vowel like an egg, an eagle, an honest person means one person. Now see the a. Uses of a is used before a word that starts with sound of consonant. A butterfly is flying in the room. Here b is the consonant sound. There is a cat on the table. The spelling of cat, C, is the consonant. Rohan has the hen. Here H is also consonant. Student, I hope now you all are understood what are articles. Thanks. Have a nice day.